Hi, I'm going to show you how to use the Discovery tab in Flipgrid. So I've logged into Flipgrid and it's going to bounce me to my Discussion tab. So all I need to do is click on Discovery here. And so now I can discover different lessons that educators using Flipgrid across the world have made. So what I could do is I could go through and look through some featured collections. I can look by creators, or I can filter through subject, audience, or I could just do a regular search of topics. So before I start doing that, I'm going to go over to my library, and you can see that I don't have anything here yet. So the first thing I'm going to do before I start looking for things is I'm going to add a collection. This is going to help me keep organized. And so I can split however I want to. Maybe I just want to do one per grade level, or I can even do specific units that I want. Okay, so now I've got a couple of collections made. So I'm going to go ahead and view all of the topics, and it's going to take me back to my discovery. So I'm going to go through, and I'm going to just narrow in my focus. So I know that I want this topic. I know that I teach middle school. And then maybe I want to add something to my Constitution. And that's going to bring up all of the topics that have that tag or have something to do with that. So I'm going to choose one that fits my needs. So I can click on it. It's going to give me the breakdown here. And then if I like it, I'm going to go ahead and save it to one of my collections. And you can see that I can also, let's say I'm scrolling through and I find something for an upcoming unit that I don't have a collection made for yet, I can go ahead and click this add button. It's going to add it to a new collection. And I just hit enter, and there it is. So if I accidentally add it, I can just click my flag, and it's going to now have it not saved. So I want the flag to be filled in. That's going to tell me that it is saved to that collection.